va être de parachever mon intégration au Québec et au Canada en faisant mes démarches pour avoir la citoyenneté canadienne et enfin pouvoir voter, de contribuer, d'exprimer mes idées sur des sujets de société. Ouais, ça c'est important. Moi je suis quelqu'un de nature curieuse, donc j'adore apprendre, découvrir, me poser des questions, trouver des réponses. Et c'est un peu pour ça que j'ai fait ce métier-là de journaliste, puisque chaque jour il y a un nouveau truc à apprendre et à découvrir. Donc voilà, c'est ça qui me challenge, moi. Apprendre des choses, découvrir des choses et m'enrichir au quotidien.
I perform with a contemporary ballet company out there called the Aspen Santa Fe Ballet. My girlfriend is in Le Grand Ballet Canadien. I grew up heavily involved in the arts. My mom put me into choir and into theater, and I played the piano, and I was always drawing, and dance was kind of the combination of all of those different art forms. I think every day that I dance, I figure out a little bit more of myself. It's a personal fulfillment. I get to work on my physical being and to the best possible ability that I can, and that to me is just a tremendous thing.
When I was like 5 or 6 years old, like we'd play street hockey in the streets and all the guys would take off their shirts and it was really, really hot, so I took off my shirt as well, and all the guys were like, no, you can't do that. You're a girl, you're not allowed to have your shirt off. So I go inside crying to my mom, and what she does is she takes my blanket and she wraps it around me, and then she says, you are an Amazon woman, and then she sends me back out there without any shirt on. And I just thought that was like super cool of her, and she gave me a lot more confidence just to be who I was. Who cares what everybody else thinks, just go outside and do what you want to do. It's just writing stories and things like that. I used to do it a lot more as a kid because my dad always emphasized writing in journals, so I've always been writing in journals, just thoughts and ideas. Or else I'll just write about what's been up in my life, or else I'll let my mind wander and look at somebody and see if they're kind of a character and imagine what sort of character they'd be, and if they were placed into a really strange situation, what they would do and things like that. If I didn't have to earn money, I'd still want to do what I want to do now, which is be a dialect coach kind of thing, because I love accents and I like listening to other people and trying to understand where they come from and the sounds that they make and the stories that they've got. So I'd still want to do that, and I'd probably just go and watch a whole bunch of plays all the time.